It's actually been going really well. Started hosting in July. I've had several 3-night stays, a week stay, and I just had a 1-month stay.
Okay. How were your guests?
They were great. A few of them reached out, met a few of them. A lot of them really liked the self check-in feature. So, yeah, I've not had any problems with any of the guests so far.
I remember you were particularly nervous about getting started. Is that correct?
Yes, I was. And
How do you feel today?
a lot more at ease. Still get a little nervous occasionally, but I did manage to take my calendar and block the day before and the day after a booking, so that gives me ample time to do things that I have to do. But yeah, it's the process is getting a little easier.
You have other properties. They're long-term rentals now. Do you have any plans after your experience with Airbnb to convert them?
Yeah, I think I'll probably take one of them for sure and switch it over to short-term stays for guests. It's in the downtown area, so it's kind of in the middle of everything.
Have you been pleased with the amount of revenue that you're making for your properties?
Yeah, I have. Working, with me working and getting guests, it's just about the right amount that I need.
Anything that you would tell a new host about getting started and maybe using the Ask a Superhost program?
Yeah, I mean, I would definitely use this as a Superhost program. That's what I've done. Have little issues here and there. Not sure where to go with it. How to access it possibly on the site, and it's just very insightful. Helps you, and they can give you a little bit of coaching along the way if you have any questions on stuff.